Trial resumed. Sir Counsel, where's the witness?
We were informed, Mr. President, that the Takada witness is here, but just in the holding room. Yeah, he's here. He's here, Mr. President.
Thank you. Kindly put him on the witness stand so that the oath can be administered to him.
Okay.
Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this impeachment case of Justice Renato C. Corona?
Yes, ma'am.
So help you God.
So help you God.
Your Honors, to conduct the direct examination is Congressman Barzal.
Please let the witness state his personal circumstances for the record and qualify him.
Mr. Witness,
Sir, Your Honor.
please state your name, age, and other personal circumstances.
I am Attorney Randy A. Rutacio. I am the Registrar of Deeds of Taguig Pateros.
May we formally offer the testimony of the witness, Your Honor. The witness will testify that he is the Register of Deeds for the City of Taguig. He will also testify that he came to this court by virtue of a subpoena issued by the Honorable Impeachment Court. He will also testify that pursuant to this subpoena, the documents indicated therein were brought by him. He will also testify with regard to his principal duties as Register of Deeds, and finally, he shall identify the documents which he shall present.
Proceed.
May it please the Honorable Court. Mr. Witness, you stated a while ago that you are the Register of Deeds for the City of Taguig. Could you please inform
Yes,
us
Your Honor.
what are your principal duties and responsibilities as Register of Deeds for the City of Taguig?
Your Honor, sir, we are the custodian of the records of the land titles in the city of Taguig and Pateros. We are also mandated by law to register all documents affecting the lands therein.
Well, Mr. Witness, could you please tell us the reason, if any, why you are present this afternoon before the impeachment court?
I was subpoenaed, sir, by the impeachment court to testify and to bring documents.
You stated that you were subpoenaed by this impeachment court for today's hearing. Do you have a copy of that subpoena?
Yes, Your Honor. I will look for it. Please excuse me because I have many documents here. But because of the marking, we have please excuse me because we had markings of the documents and
The subpoena issued by this court required you to produce certain documents. Did you bring the documents with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And they're in your possession right now in the courtroom.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please, counsel, present them properly for the record.
Okay. In the subpoena issued by this Honorable Impeachment Court, in number
Excuse
one...
me, sir. I have the subpoena right now in my hand. Thank you.
In the subpoena which you have given to this representation, in number one, letter A, you were required to present CCT number 5582 in the name of Cristina R. Corona, married to Renato C. Corona. Do you have a copy of this CCT number 5582 mentioned in 1A of the subpoena?
Yes, Your Honor. I have this document, sir. It was subpoenaed to be brought here before the court.
Is that document the original TCT in the Registry of Deeds or a verified copy?
May I continue, Your Honor?
Please.
You have presented to this representation an original copy of condominium certificate of title number 5582. Did you bring any photocopy of this condominium certificate of title number 552? 5582.
Yes, sir. I have brought a photocopy of the condominium certificate of title number 5582.
At this juncture, Your Honor, I earnestly request the counsel for the defendant to compare the Xerox copy, the photocopy which was presented to me, as compared to the original in order to make a stipulation whether or not the photocopy represents a faithful reproduction of the original.
The counsel for the defense may do so if he wishes to enter into a stipulation of fact.
Attorney Montano Isguera, Your Honor, a member of the defense panel, is examining both documents. Your Honor, please, Mr. President, we wanted to state for the record and for the expediency of the proceedings being undertaken by this impeachment court, that if the purpose of comparing the two documents is to effect a substitution, may we ask that the substitution be made later, Your Honor? Because we will be dealing with so many documents, then every document, Your Honor, will require some time for purposes of comparison, comment, and so on. But if the totality of all the documents are already marked and identified by the witness, then we can make the comparison later, Your Honor.
Thank you very much for that
What
manifestation.
is the pleasure of the prosecution?
Well, considering the manifestation made by the defense counsel, I am withdrawing my question with regard to the stipulation regarding whether or not the certified true copy is a true and faithful reproduction of the original. I would proceed with my subsequent questions, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Well, could you please, this honorable court, what document did you rely on for the issuance of this condominium certificate of title number 5582?
No basis, Your Honor. There is no statement on record by the witness that it was he who made or who drafted the document. All that the witness stated before this honorable court is that he brought the document, subject matter of the subpoena, to the STECOM.
I will reform the question, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, a while ago you stated that you are the Register of Deeds for the city of Taguig. And you also stated that one of your duties is the issuance as well as possession of certificates of title with regard to lands or condominiums situated in the city of Taguig. Right now, you have presented condominium certificate of title number 5582. could you please tell us the reason, if any, why this condominium certificate of title number 5582 came into existence?
Not within the competence of the witness, Your Honor. In the narration of his functions of his office, Your Honor, there is never any statement to the effect that it is he who is responsible for the issuance, preparation, and drafting of this document, Your Honor. All that I recall the witness having stated is he has in his custody the documents required by the subpoena. So no basis, Your Honor.
I'll reform again the question to satisfy the curiosity of the defense counsel.
It is not my curiosity. That is what the law provides. You're not...
I'll reform the question, Your Honor.
Avoid personalities. Just lay the basis. What is the basis of the possession of the register of deeds of that CCT?
Can I ask the question?
Yeah, proceed.
Okay. A while ago, you mentioned that you came to this court by virtue of a subpoena.
Yes, Your Honor.
In paragraph 2 of this subpoena, and I read, original and or certified true copies of all documents pertaining to the acquisition, disposition, ownership, or enjoyment of the properties covered by the above listed TCTs and CCTs, including but not limited to the following: deed of absolute sale, deeds of conditional sale, deeds of donation, deeds of assignment or transfer, contracts of lease, certifications authorizing registration issued by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, and other documents related to the foregoing. My question is, did you present any deed of sale? Did you present or did you have right now any deed of sale as required by the subpoena?
You mean, Your Honor, that if he has in his possession? Because the witness being asked, did you present? There is no presentation.
No, not yet. I will draw that. If he has in his possession right now, pursuant to the subpoena.
Thank you for the clarification, Your Honor.
The witness may answer.
Yes, sir, I have it in my possession.
I think this court can take judicial notice of the fact that we have a condominium law and that it is required that titles to condominium units are being registered, and the registration is effected upon the presentation of a deed of absolute sale of a condominium to a particular party for registration.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm trying to verify whether this the sale, the deed of sale, which pertains to that, because I have in my possession about a number of deeds of sale.
I don't know. So what? Witness examining the documents in his alleged possession, Your Honor.
You must forgive me, sir, because we have it in
No,
marked.
I'm just making that of record.
Thank you, sir.
I am not commenting on what you're doing.
Will you please repeat your question, sir?
May I suggest, for an orderly presentation of the evidence, that you mark as for purposes of identification the documents pertaining to that title in sequence. The deed of sale, if there's a deed of sale, then the corresponding.
Yes, Your Honor, we have done that.
No, I'm
previously,
addressing
sir.
this to the counsel for the prosecution.
We would like to manifest, Your Honor, that there has been already a pre-marking.
So will you kindly proceed and identify the documents supporting the CCT register and finally the CCT.
Here is the deed of absolute sale regarding the Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation, sir.
Deed of sale of the selling corporation and to whom?
Yeah, it is. Please repeat your...
Trial suspended for 1 minute, so that you can prepare. The chair would like to go to...
Alam mo, sir, kasi